Well, hello family, welcome back to KatochXcrypto. In today's video, we will revisit Degecoin once again because the token is back from the trenches. You can see the chart right over here. The token has started showing momentum and is back. It is pumped, then dumped, and now pumping again. The question is how you can purchase the token with ease if you are a beginner. So in this video, I'm going to give you a live demo in which you can purchase the token with ease. So first of all, number one step here is to download or have a Phantom Wallet extension. So go on Google and type Phantom Wallet extension. You will see this option here and just add it to your browser. By the way, this is a genuine Solana wallet. You must have it, and it looks something like this in the screen like shown you. And then once it get downloaded, click on this add-ons like plugins here. This is the icon. This is a ghost icon, the blue ghost. And again, you need to create your wallet if you haven't created it yet. Remember to save your seed phrase to protect yourself from theft, of course, recovery, and then start using your wallet. Once you unlock it, you will see a lot of tokens here. You need to add balance to the token. Make sure to have stablecoin, USDT or USDC, and also have Solana in your wallet to pay for the gas fee. Once that is done, by the way, you can get this token from center exchange like Binance and Coinbase and send it to your wallet. Your wallet address is right over here, Solana, which is written. Send this to this address and the token will be sent to your wallet. And once you get these tokens, just go to this website, which is your Jupiter exchange. So this is Jupiter exchange. Connect the wallet, connect Phantom wallet to it. Once you connect the wallet, it will have this option, a platform to swap the tokens. Make sure to use stablecoin on this side, which can be USDC or USDT. In my case, let that be USDC. And let's say I want to buy what is Degecoin. So Degecoin, I need to type here what is called a smart contract address, which I've shared in the description. So you can see here, you can go to the smart contract or the soul scan and copy this part, which is your token address. Once you copy it, just go back here and paste it. Once you paste it, you will see Degecoin option. The leaf icon is here 94, and of course this is a warning because this is a new token. And once that is done, you can purchase it with whatever amount you like. You can purchase it $1, you can purchase it with $2, you can purchase it with $10. That's up to you. And now just swap the token. Click on swap and it will do the swapping. It will show you how many tokens you're buying, and just click on confirm. You need to have Solana to pay for the gas fee. Click on confirm and the job is done. The token is now being bought by you in your wallet. Go to the wallet that you have and you will see the token balance you have current in the Phantom wallet. That is how easily you can buy the token from the exchange, which is called a Jupiter exchange. jup.ag is the website. I will share the link in the description, and you can see here, so scroll down, this is Degecoin that I purchased, and here it is in my wallet. I can sell it back on the exchange itself, and that is how easy you can do. With that, I complete my video. If you have any question, comment below, subscribe my channel, or join my Telegram. I will answer any query that you have. Let's wait tomorrow with a new video, new content. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.